Pratha. So in this video I'm transforming myself into an indie kid. So if you don't know what indie kid is, so it is an aesthetic, like there are different aesthetics like soft girl, e-girl, visco girl, skater girl and indie kid and etc etc. So in this video I'm going to transforming myself into an indie kid. So if you see me or my Instagram theme, so it is like seems like that I'm more into e-girl. Aesthetic is going to be like very different for me and I'm literally so excited too for this. So like very deep research in this filter. I scrolled through my Instagram, Pinterest like for hours. I searched on these apps like what indie kid looks like, what it means, the outfit, the hair, the room and everything. I literally worked so hard for this video. So without any further, let's begin with this video. First thing I'm going to tell you that what indie kid means. So the indie kid is based on individuality and independence. Indie kid is a bright, colorful style usually involving oversized jeans, large hoodies and small shirts. So this is what it means. Second thing I did is that I decorated my room corner for this. Means like as I'm transforming into indie kid, so I need a corner for that to click pictures and yeah, for getting those indie vibes. So I decorated this side and this is how it looks. But the inspiration from Pinterest. So सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ मुझे दिखी थी उसमें common थी is this CD arts and pictures, and yeah, I did the same as that and I'm kind of liking it, but maybe I'll remove this after this video because I don't want this here. My room is already full of pictures and it's like not that much needed. The third step for converting into an indie kid, you pick an outfit based on that aesthetic. Indie aesthetic includes neon colors, bright color, purple, pink, neon green and those bright colors. So I do have two like neon color pieces. Like first is that crop top, I like the picture, and second is that jumpsuit or a dungri, whatever you say. It's of like neon, means like exact neon color. I think I'll wear the jumpsuit, but the thing is that they wear like oversized jeans and mostly into jeans, not dresses. I'll pair it up with a jeans, means मैं उसे ऐसे अंदर in कर लूँगी तो इतना ज़्यादा नहीं दिखेगा. And I'll wear a plain t-shirt inside it, means like plain white. And yeah, I'm not going to wear a full length shirt. So for the outfit, as I said, I have these this green dungri and this plain white t-shirt and this bucket hat. So I'm going to wear this and I'm going to pair it up with a jeans as I said before. So I'm going to wear that too. So guys, this is how the outfit is looking. So guys, the jeans was looking like not so good with it, so I paired up with a denim skirt. I'll show the full look later on. And yeah, next thing for the makeup, I'm going to be doing a winged eyeliner as based on the indie aesthetic. I searched on Pinterest and I got some ideas like this. And yeah, I'm going to be applying eyeliner. They do apply winged eyeliner, so that's what I'm going to do. And they do like apply a lot of blush and highlighter, so even I love highlighter, so I'm going to do that. And like they do like a very minimal makeup look. Start doing the makeup and it's like pretty self-explanatory, the products and the steps in the description box. And yeah, I'm going to start doing my makeup and I'll do the time lapse maybe. So guys, this is how I am looking and I think it is pretty cool or pretty. The next thing is that hair. So I'm going to be add hair strips, like those purple strips I got from Amazon. Searched up on Pinterest that they do like beads and they wear a bucket hat or a bandana or bandana, something कुछ ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. I'm going to be doing that beads. I have a bucket hat, so I'll wear that. So guys, as I said, I'm going to add these hair strips and I'm going to do the beading thing. And yeah, I'll see you after that. Guys, this is how the beading is looking. And ये रही hair strips. मुझे इसे थोड़ा सा अच्छे से आगे करके लगाना पड़ेगा. And yeah, मैं सब final setup करके दिखाती हूँ. Means like accessories अभी बाकी है. So then, guys, this is how I am looking. And I am feeling very weird. I am feeling so uncomfortable. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा weird लग रहा है. Going to be accessories, so I'm going to be pair it up with some funky accessories. Like I've seen, I like the pictures again. As you can see, they were like very funky and very bright color necklaces. So the thing is that when I was like 8 or 9 years old, I do have some jewelries of that time. Means like पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सी funky सब मतलब necklaces पहनती थी. So I do have that. You pair it up with this, and I'm going to wear a good double chain, means like I have a triple chain necklace, so I'm going to wear that. And for hand I'm going to be wear my necklace like मतलब ऐसे. For earrings I do have purple pair of earrings, so I'll pair it up with that. This side I have a lot of funky jewelries, ये सब traditional में आ गया. So I do have, but क्या पता नहीं किधर चले गए जो necklaces मुझे चाहिए वो वाले. So I'll wear this in my hand, this side, and I have this. I will not wear this. बहुत पागल लगूंगी मैं. I have this double triple chain necklace. I'll wear this. मेरे हेयर बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब लग रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रही है. This and मैंने जैसे उसके ना एक्सेसरीज देखी थी उसके अंदर भी मतलब कुछ ऐसे ही पहना था. So maybe I'll wear this too. Guys, it is so tangled, so I'm not going to wear this. So I'll wear another necklace. And yeah, got this. And while searching this, I got these cute. I found this cute earrings. I'm going to wear this. Here is the final look, and I think इतना मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, but okay, I liked it. मतलब मैं सिर्फ रॉक पॉप वाली गर्ल लग रही हूँ, गोवा में गाना गाने वाली. ये आई एम द रॉक स्टार. बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे वियर्ड वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. मतलब इतना मुझे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे लिए मतलब एकदम अलग ही स्टाइल हो गई है. एंड दिस इज लिटरली आउट ऑफ माई कम्फर्ट जोन, बट लाइक आई एम काइंड ऑफ happy with it. Means like it turned out like pretty good. I'm going to show my full look to you now, and yeah. Missing someone. Love is how much you miss it. And you miss it. So guys, now I'm going to click some pictures, then I'm going to post it on Instagram. And guys, I'm going to keep the caption as I searched on Pinterest. मतलब जैसा Pinterest पे होगा, I'm going to do like that only. And I'm going to use those emojis जो मतलब उसके अंदर दिए हैं. So yeah, I'm going to click some pictures now. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things. So guys, I clicked a lot of pictures. I'm going to add the screen recording of me uploading the picture. It means that इतनी अच्छी photos बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी आ रही photos तो, but still I'm going to upload some of them and add the caption, and I like the screen recording because I think that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If it did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and do follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, till then, bye bye. Meet you in my next video. And yeah, and I hope you all liked my look. And yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. Means सब ठीक लग रहा है. And yeah,